Hello guys, welcome to HQ Mentors. My name is Wahad and I hope you all are doing well. So as you know that we have started our Premiere Pro classes. So this is our second class. In this class I'm going to tell you guys how to download Adobe Premiere Pro version 2020 for free. The steps are really easy. Open your browser and go to this link. I have given this link in the description box. Click on download anyway. As you can see, the file is downloaded. Click on show in folder. There it is. Select right mouse button and select extract here. It will take some time. Open this folder. Go to the second option, Adobe Premiere, Setup, and this one, the last option. Double click this. So we are done with the installation. Click on close. So we have successfully downloaded Adobe Premiere version 2020. Here it is, Adobe Premiere Pro 2020.